Welcome friends to Rayat Online School Education Plus Project. I'm Saumkhe SK from Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalay and Junior College Password. Today we are going to deal with the future tense. This is the last video in which we are going to study the future tense. So let's study. First we are going to see the future tense. In future tense again we have sub tenses like simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and of course future perfect continuous tense. These four tenses we are going to study in this very video. First is simple future tense and when to use it. To show action is to take place in future. Means what? Action is to take place. Action is not happening. It is just going to happen in future. And what is the formula? Subject, shall will, V1 means base form of the verb and object. Look at the example. You will appear for the SSC exam. Friends, okay, you are studying in 12th standard or 11th standard. But this year or next year, you are going to appear for the SSC exam. So this action of appearing is going to happen in future. Second, India will become a powerful nation. We just hope that of becoming a powerful nation, this action will take place in future. Third one, we shall drive electric cars in coming years. Again, driving electric cars, this is the action which will take place in coming future, in coming years. Fourth one, we shall speak English fluently. And last one, the children will play on the ground. So all these sentences you can see the use of subject, shall will and V1. You will appear, India will become, we shall drive, we shall speak and children will play. So this is an example of simple future tense. By studying the formula, you can easily change the other tense into future tense. Next, we have future continuous tense. When to use it? To show action will be going on in future. Formula, subject, shall will be, verb ing and object. Look at the example. You will be appearing for the SSC exam. You, subject, will be and appearing VING. Second one, India will be becoming a powerful nation. Third one, we will be driving electric cars in coming years. Fourth one, we will be speaking English fluently. And the last one, the children will be playing on the ground. All these sentences you can see the formula, you will be appearing, India will be becoming, we will be driving, we will be speaking, children will be playing. Subject, shall will be and verb ing. All these actions of appearing, becoming, driving, speaking and playing, it will be going on in future. Means what? This will be happening. We hope, we guess that the action will be going on in future. Next we have future perfect tense. When to use it? To show action will be completed in future. The action will be have been finished in future. And what is the formula? Subject will have plus V3 and object. Look at the example. You will have appeared for the SSC exam. Means what? You will have appeared for the SSC exam in March. If I write here after the exam in March, so of course the appearing for the exam, the action will be completed in March. Second one, India will have become a powerful nation. Becoming a powerful nation, this action will have been completed in future. Third one, we will have driven electric cars in coming years. Fourth, we will have spoken English fluently. And the last one, the children will have played on the ground. Again here you can see the formula and the subject. you will have plus V3 means appeared. India will have V3 means become. We will have plus V3 driven. We will have plus V3 spoken. And the children will have plus V3 played. Look at the formula, study the formula, and make the sentences. And the last one, friends, it is future perfect continuous tense. And when to use it? See, to show action will begin in the future and will continue in the future. If you look at this use, you might get confused because it is rarely used in speaking and even in writing. You might have come across such kind of structure in the novel, in the drama, or anywhere in the speaking. So it is rarely used, but still we have to study it. Look at the formula. Subject will have been, VING, and object. For example, you will have been appearing for the SSC exam. Means what? The action of appearing will take place in the future and it will keep continue in the future. I am explaining this, but you might, or I am sure, you will get confused when to use it. So as I told you in the very beginning, it is rarely used, it is almost useless in speaking and also in imagination. But as we have to study in the syllabus, so we should study with the formula. Second one, India will have been becoming a powerful nation. Again, look at this structure. India will have been becoming. The structure is correct, but I told you that action will begin in future and it will take place or it will continue in future. Such kind of imagination, thinking is almost impossible while speaking. So we rarely use it, but we should change into the tense using the formula. Third one, we will have been driving electric cars in coming years. Look at the formula, subject V, then will have, then been, plus VING driving, and remaining is the object. Fourth one, we will have been speaking English fluently. Again, the action of speaking will take place in future or begin in future and it will continue in the future. This is rarely used, so you should not worry about this tense while speaking. You just learn the formula, and if such kind of questions come in the exam, you can change the one tense to this tense. I have only reading the sentences. I have made the sentences with the help of the formula, but as I told you, this kind of sentences is rarely used in speaking. So it is just up to the writing in the exam only. If you look at this formula, you can change the other tense into the future perfect continuous tense. That's it. So thank you friends for having with me and discussed the tense from the last 3 videos. Present tense, past tense and future. We have studied all these 3 tenses during the videos from the last 3 videos. I appeal you to study the formula, to study the use and change the one tense from the other one. You can easily do it. You just need to read and learn the formulas by heart. You also take down the formulas to learn by heart, and by doing this you can easily use and write the tenses in exam. Also you can use while speaking English in communication. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.